Similarly, we are tuned to the fourth dimension, so we cannot see the other parallel universes. So maybe you have asked me about the scope of the quantum computer. The quantum computer can do amazing, wonderful things, mesmerizing things in the future. It can save energy. It can cure disease like the Alzheimer's disease. There is a protein in our head which is called the amyloid protein. It has direction. One has has deviated to the right, and the other tilts towards the left, and one of it causes the Alzheimer disease, in which the person, specifically in old age, they lose memory. So that's called dementia. About 50% of the people above the age of 80 suffer dementia. So we can cure that, because we can solve the genes. We have 300 billion genes. So we can sequence them, and we can find out the mistake and the mutation in the genes very rapidly, because this computer can calculate rapidly and very fast at high speed. So it can detect diseases like cancer much earlier. About like somebody can fit this computer to their toilet, and it can detect from the urine and stool and take proteins and aldehyde, ketones, other biomolecules, and it can predict a disease, cancer, about 10 years before, 10 years earlier than its occurrence, its symptoms appear. So similarly, in the fertilizer industry, it can, right now, the gentleman had taken nitrogen out of this air and convert it into fertilizers in industries, factories, which creates a huge amount of pollution and uses about 1% of the Earth's energy into the electrical energy into the formation and production of fertilizers. So you can save that. Because the nature does not build fertilizer in that way. Nature can build in a different way. So we can copy the nature if we build the quantum computer. Similarly, the energy problem of the energy, the electrical energy, we need fuels and other things. So that if we are able to harness the fusion power, somehow the plasma, the gas, hydrogen, it's fluid and we cannot manipulate. But now in California they have built a plant which uses the fusion reaction and can somehow in the initial stages can manipulate and create energy. So this is the Earth is the only planet in the whole galaxy, in the billions of stars and planets. The Earth is only the place where uranium and nuclear matter is used to create energy. No other planet or star or any other asteroid uses the uranium or nuclear radioactivity to create energy. So if we can solve this problem, we can solve the problem of global warming. So that's another benefit. So other than that, it can give us answers that either the Big Bang theory, how it occurred, and we can take an idea and about experimentally we can become sure that how the universe was created initially and how it is going to end in the future, and about the black holes and the information radiation which Hawking had predicted.